Hello and welcome. I am really happy you are here today. This is day 1, the beginning of something new, and I want you to know that just by pressing play, you already did something important. You made a decision. You chose to practice your English today, and that decision matters more than you think. My name is Luna. Welcome to Speak English with me. This is not a grammar class. There are no tests here, no rules to memorize, no homework. This is simply a space where you and I practice English together every day, one day at a time. Today, on day 1, I want to start with something very simple, something every English learner needs, but most people never practice enough, and that is introducing yourself, talking about who you are in English out loud. I know it sounds basic, but many people who have studied English for years still feel nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself." The words disappear, the mind goes blank. So today, we fix that together. Let me go first. Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Luna. I am an English teacher. I love helping people speak English with confidence. I believe that every person can learn to speak English, not perfectly, but genuinely, and genuinely is enough. Now, I want you to think about your own introduction. Just 3 things: your name, what you do, and one thing you love. That is it, just 3 things. For example, my name is Carlos. I am a student. I love football. Or maybe, my name is Ahmed. I am an engineer. I love music. Or, my name is Priya. I work in a hospital. I love cooking. Simple, real, and yours. Now, I want you to try. Say it out loud right now, wherever you are, at home, on the bus, in your room. Say your name, what you do, and one thing you love. Don't think too long, just say it. Go ahead. Remember, the goal today is not to be perfect. The goal is to begin, because beginning is the hardest part. And once you begin, everything becomes a little easier every single day. Before we finish, I want to teach you 3 sentences you can use every day in English. Just 3. Small, simple, and very useful. The first sentence is, "Nice to meet you." You use this when you meet someone for the first time, in a job interview, at a new place, when someone introduces themselves to you. Nice to meet you. The second sentence is, "Could you say that again, please?" This is one of the most powerful sentences in English. In real conversations, people speak fast. You will not always understand everything, and that is completely normal. So instead of nodding and pretending, just say, "Could you say that again, please?" People will always say yes. The third sentence is, "I'm still learning English, but I'm trying." I love this sentence because it is honest, and honesty is more powerful than perfect grammar. When you say this to someone, they immediately want to help you. They become patient, they speak more slowly. It changes the whole conversation. So, today, at some point, say your introduction out loud one more time. Your name, what you do, one thing you love. Say it while you make coffee, say it on your way to work, say it somewhere, out loud, in English. Tell me in the comments, what is your name and one thing you love? Write it in English. I read every single comment, and I would love to meet you today. Thank you so much for being here on day 1. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Take care of yourself. And remember, every big journey begins with one small step. Today, you took yours.